Replacement of life insurance or annuities form. The replacement form is one of the forms that the agent forgets to complete or emerges as unforeseen at the time of the underwriting of the policy. This is because many times the agent forgets to ask if there are other policies in the name of the applicant when he completes the Lincoln Heritage application. We cannot simply assume and mark the answer as no. The applicant may forget to mention that they had another policy. This can generate an extra visit to the insured's home that we want to avoid. If this form must be completed, 2 copies of it must be made, because 1 copy will remain with the client complete and signed. On the application, the client will answer 2 questions. If one of the 2 questions is answered yes, the box below must be completed with the name of the insured, the policy number or contract with the other company, if it is an insurance or annuity, and if it will be replacing or financing. Below that, the client can state their reason for replacing their existing coverage. The most common answers can be better price or search for better service. Finally, the lower fields must be completed with the full name and the signatures of the applicant and the agent, in addition to the date. The last step is the refusal of having the notice read aloud. If the applicant chooses to not have the notice read aloud in its entirety, they mark their initials to give their agreement.